Hello everyone, this is Dr. Zhao. In this video, you will learn why or why not companies hold inventory. So, here is why we hold inventory. First, we want to take advantage of the scale economy, for instance, to reduce the fixed ordering cost and switch over times. The inventory carried for this purpose is called cycle stock. And second, we want to protect against uncertainty. For instance, to prepare for unexpected demand surge or supplier stockouts. The inventory carried for this purpose is called safety stock. Thirdly, we may want to take advantage of price discounts and so hold forward buy stock. Furthermore, we may have to ship our products over a long distance, and inventory in transit is called pipeline stock. Sometimes we have to pre-build inventory to prepare for seasonal demand due to limited production capacity. The inventory diagram illustrates the cycle stock and safety stock. The inventory fluctuates over time with the reorder and depletion of the cycle stock. On the bottom, there sits the safety stock to protect against uncertainty. The key questions to answer are, first, when to order. This question is related to safety stock. And the second question is how much to order. This question is related to the cycle stock. We just talked about why we hold inventory. Now let's talk about why not. Holding inventory requires additional space and handling, which increase the cost. The money tied up in inventory cannot be invested elsewhere and thus leads to the opportunity cost of capital. Inventory often subject to spoilage and obsolescence and represents a loss of investment. Finally, too much inventory may hide problems in production and cause quality issues. To explain the last point, let's look at an example. The quality assurance people in the picture has about 10 units to inspect. Suppose he finds a problem, he must identify the workstation that caused the problem and correct it right away before further damage is done. He must also inspect the other 9 units for the problem because the same problem may have happened to all of them. Imagine instead of 10 units, he has 100 units to inspect. The damage could have happened to all of them already. And the quality assurance may not be able to identify the problem because it was happening too long time ago. This is the reason that manufacturers hate inventory and want their systems to be as lean as possible. Typically, we can break down the inventory holding cost into 4 components. First, the opportunity cost of alternative investment. Say 8% annually of the product value. And second, cost of storage. Say 6% of the product value annually. Taxes and insurance, about 2% at most. And breakage, spoilage, and obsolescence, say 1% of the product value. And adding them up amounts to 17% of the product value annually. Among these components, the cost of storage and breakage, spoilage, and obsolescence can vary significantly from product to product. For instance, poisonous chemicals requires high storage cost. Fashion items have short life cycle and thus high obsolescence cost. The objective of inventory management is to improve customer satisfaction level and reduce inventory in the same time. That means we need to reduce or avoid dead inventory, reduce excessive inventory, and only keep active inventories.